Welcome to this quick crash course for Blackboard Ultra. Today we'll cover 3 essential buttons that will help you manage your course with ease. These 3 buttons are the plus sign for adding content to your course, the ellipsis, which allows you to edit and make other changes, and the cog to adjust your settings. Let's take a look at the plus sign. This is your go-to button for adding new content, whether it's assignments, files, or discussions. Simply select the plus sign, and wherever you move your cursor, you can see there's a plus sign to add content. You can create, auto-generate modules, copy content, cloud storage, and other options. When you select the Create button, you can create the learning module, folder, document, link, teaching tools, tests, assignments, forms, discussions, and journals. Next, the 3 dots or ellipsis give you access to additional options for managing your content. Simply look for the ellipsis and select it to find out those options. Here we can batch edit, import content, copy items, and more. On a learning module, the ellipsis allows you to edit, check student progress, or delete the module. Finally, the settings cog is where you can adjust your course settings, assignment settings, and grade settings. First, the course settings. Note that some course settings you will not be able to change. Then in Gradebook, select the settings cog, and you can manage your gradebook settings. You can scroll down to see all of the different options that you can choose, new grading categories, and of course you can set up your overall grade. Let's do a quick recap. The plus sign lets you add and create. The ellipses lets you edit, set accommodations, and the gear or cog is where you find your settings. By mastering these 3 buttons, you'll be well on your way to navigating Blackboard Ultra like a pro. Explore these options to get comfortable with the platform. For additional support, be sure to contact the Faculty Development Team, Instructional Design Team, or the LMS Support Team at the emails listed. Thanks for watching!